Hello, I'm back playing Summoner's War again. Well, I just summoned this new character. It's literally a cat, part human. But I don't get it. Here, I'll show you. Hold on a minute. No, this. That. It's a martial cat. It looks like a cat that knows martial arts. And you can see her jumping right here. It's jumping right. It's funny. Yeah, I just wanted to show you, but just thought maybe I'd do another battle. I don't know where to go. I'll go here. Oh, magic. I'll do this place. Yeah, I'll just move my face up here. So, I'm gonna use, should I don't know. Also, I really want to do the, generator for this game, but, I don't know the activation code. If anybody knows what it is, can you leave it in the comments? Because I really want to know. So, I mean, I'm not that good. But it's fine, buddy. You don't have to tell me if you don't want to, but I really want you to. Why do I have Penguin Man in here? I don't want him. I don't want him in here. I want this guy. But the thing, which friend should I use? I'll use him. He's really strong. He may not look strong, but he is. Even though he's like that many stars, he might not seem strong, but boy. But still. Oh well. But yeah. Let's go move my face around. I'll keep up here. Yep. I feel like it's like a rainbow road. It's like a rainbow road. This looks funny. Absolute zero. I don't know anything of it. It's like, just zero or not below, but yeah. Frick. Only 3. I thought there was supposed to be 5. Well, make it easier. Already is easy in the first place. So yeah, I'm right at this guy now. My gosh, my dragon dude's a friend, but he's a level 40. He's a level, oh yeah, he's only a level 30, yeah. Forgot about that, yeah. No wonder it didn't do that much damage, but it's fine, he still did damage. Whatever. It's fine. Oof. I don't know, it's weird, they do a very, actually high damage. I was about to say weak, but never mind. But, yeah, you enjoy this, but either way, I need some more video ideas. I got nothing. I don't know, I might do one about my fidget spinners. I don't know, you can give me some ideas of what they could be about the fidget spinner stuff. And tell me what I should do about them. You can tell me, of course, in the comments, but whatever. And no, I will not do any giveaways. Because I'm only a kid. Unless some people would write their full name and address, I could write it on a card and send something to them. But my parents I would have to ask my parents, and they would say no to that. So no giveaways unless I'm an adult. I'll get my own house and know what I'm doing. And the item drop info. I know what this is, but I've done it before. magic dust. Don't know what that is. DJ, I've done the whole all the dungeons that say like here is the secret dungeon available. Every time I battle one of them, like it never even lets puts a secret dungeon in the thing. So maybe you have to like complete the whole entire Hall of Fire or just one. I mean, if you can let me know, I'm fine with that. Dang it. That's not what I... Ooh. Ranking monster used in successful runes. Hall of Magic. Lapis. Have her. Not got that. Pretty sure of that. I have Janin. Yes, I used to have that. Used to, but it's useless to use sometimes, but have it, pretty sure. And, him have... Used to... let me see. Yeah, I have it. Also, with all seriousness, I thought you were a boy. I'm being serious. I thought it was a boy. With all seriousness. Yeah, and I got you. Now he's one of my friends. Yeah. I don't know why you're 3-starred with the purple. Because you're stupid. He looks like a devil. He's evolved. You think you're so hot. Well, you're not. Nothing else. Gotta be something good for this. Ooh. Okay, this is weird. Like, why are you just waving your card around? He's like, is it something like, I don't know, like magical money or something? I mean, let me see what this, dark. Oh, baby. Okay, I shouldn't say that. Again, have it. Again, you're ugly. I don't care. Okay. No, I don't want to. Oh yeah, look at my energy that I have up here. I literally have over the limit pretty much. 1,509 when I'm supposed to have only 44. And for the wing things or whatever, I have a 70 when I'm supposed to have 10. Also, I don't know what they are even for. Probably the name might give me a hint. Yeah. I'm gonna murder you people. I'm gonna murder the enemies. Boy. You ugly, but strong. See, the archer? Oh, did you see a cuss word? All honest, they keep cussing for some reason. I already knew they were cussing, so I mean, and they say, what the heck? And they say, it. I mean, also look at that birdie. He like takes up this whole space for my people. And see what I get. I don't really use runes anymore. 4. Ooh, this gotta be good. Ooh, 3. And then only 750? He stinks, only 300. Oh, wow. Wow. People, you stupid. Little stupid ass. Whoa. Ooh. But that strategy info, let me see it. 10,000. I didn't even do the dungeon. That was the drop info. Stupid. Hall of Wind. Oh, forgot about that. Sorry, we have to do this. Mentor? Manti. Yeah. Jeez. Why does it still say Boy. Why does it keep saying that Okay, thank you. Wow. Okay, never mind. Whatever. He's a strong fit means he's fat. He's a fat Viking. He's a fat Viking down there. Oh well, you boy. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. Adios.